If A equals 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and B equals 3, 6, 9, and 12, which of the following is true? A intersection B equals 6 and 9. B, A union B equals 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12. C, A minus B equals 2, 4, 9, and 10. D, A intersection B equals 2, 4, 6. Answer B. Let U equals universal set equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and A equals 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then A complement intersection 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. A empty set. B 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. C 1, 3, 7, 5, and 9. D 2, 4, 6, and 8. Answer C. If A equals x such that x is factor of 12 and B equals x where x is a factor of 18, then A intersection B is A 1, 2, 3, and 6, B 1, 3, and 9, C 1, 2, 4, and 6, D 2, 3, 6, and 12. Answer A. Let A equals x where x is an element of natural number and less than 5, and B equals x where x is an element of integer and x is less than 5. Which statement is true? A is proper subset of B is proper subset of A is equals to B, D, A and B are disjoint. Answer A. If number of A equals 28 and number of B equals 34 and number of A union B equals 50, find number of A intersection B. A 12, B 8, C 6, D 14. Answer A. The symmetric difference A delta B equals A union B minus A intersection B, B A intersection B minus A union B, C A minus B, D A complement intersection B complement. Answer A. Let A equals x where x is an even number less than 10 and B equals x where x is a prime number less than 10, then A intersection B equals A 2, B 4, 6, and 8, C 2, 4, 6, and 8, D empty set. Answer A. If A complement equals 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and universal set equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, then A equals A 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, B 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, C empty set, D universal set. Answer A. Which of the following is always true for any two sets A and B? A union B equals B union A, B A intersection B equals A, C A difference B equals B difference A, D A complement equals U minus B. Answer A. If number of A equals 50, number of B equals 45, and number of A intersection B equals 20, then how many elements are in A union B? A 70, B 75, C 85, D 90. Answer B. Given A equals 1, 2, 3, and 4, B equals 3, 4, 5, and 6, what is A delta B? A 1, 2, 5, and 6, B 4 and 3, C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, D 1, 5, and 6. Answer A. Let A is subset of B, then which of the following must be true? A complement is subset of B complement. B complement is subset of A complement. C, A intersection B complement is empty set. D, A complement equals B complement. Answer B. The number of proper subsets of a set with 6 elements is A 62, B 63, C 64, D 32. Answer B. Let universal set equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. A equals 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Find U without A delta B. A 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8. B 1, 3, 7, 9, and 10. C 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. D 2, 4, 7, and 9. Answer D. If number of universal set equals 100, number of A equals 60, and number of B equals 55, and number of A intersection B equals 35, then how many elements belong to neither A nor B? A 20, B 25, C 30, D 35. Answer A. Let number of A equals 7, number of B equals 10, and number of A union B equals 12, then what is number of A intersection B? A 3, B 5, C 7, D 9. Answer B. For sets A, B, C in a universal set U, which identity is always true? A union B union C, the whole complement equals A complement union B complement union C complement. B, A union B union C, the whole complement equals A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. C, A intersection B intersection C, the whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. D, A union B union C, the whole complement equals A complement union B complement in the bracket intersection C complement. Answer B. Which statement is true for all sets A, B, C? A delta B in the bracket B delta C equals A delta B in the bracket delta C. B, A delta in the bracket B intersection C equals A delta B in the bracket intersection C. C, A delta B equals A intersection B, the whole complement. D. If A delta B equals empty set, then A intersection B equals empty set. Answer A. If A cross B equals 12, number of A cross B equals 12, and number of A equals 3, and A and B are finite non-empty sets, which of the following is true? A, number of B equals 4, B, number of B equals 9, C, number of B equals 12, D, number of B cannot be determined from the given information. Answer A. For sets A, B, we have A delta B equals A. What must be true about B? A, B is subset of A, but B is not equal with empty set. B, A is subset of B. C, B equals empty set. D, B equals A.